Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to add admin panel in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we'll have to open the Roblox Studios. And then in the toolbox section, we'll type admin panel. Then click on the first admin panel model, which is school admin panel. Click OK. Now more than 5 files, 6 files will come into our workspace. Firstly, we'll cut this file and take it into server storage. After that, we have to take the replicating files and put it into the replication storage. So drag it and take it into replication storage. Then we'll take giving UI and admin server into server script service, an admin panel into starter GUI. After it is done, we'll click on the play button. As you can see, an admin button has popped on the bottom left side, which is essentially the admin panel. In here, we can input any username we want. So I'll just input my username. Now I can kick him from my server, ban him and unban him. You can try it on another username. So I can just kick this player, ban this player and unban this player. So essentially I can use all the admin privileges from one admin panel. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.